Happy Winning Wednesday to you. Just want to come in here and say, hey, aspiring real estate agent, have you taken your exam multiple times and can't seem to pass the math portion or your real estate exam? Well, here I am to help you understand it. Today we're going to talk about gross rent multiplier. Gross rent multiplier is a ratio that deals with the investor's market value on the property to the annual rental income. So here we are. It says Maddie has a property that has a value of $455,000 and the annual income is $45,500. What is the gross rent multiplier? So the first thing you got to do, you got to take that property value, the $455,000, and divide it by 45,500. And let me get my handy dandy calculator so I can help you here. Remember, it's a ratio to help investors with their investment properties. Okay, let me get my calculator. It is so when you divide those two together, you get 10. That is your gross rent multiplier. It is used by investors to determine the profitability of an investment property. All right, I'm here to make the math easy for you. This is my math tip for today, gross rent multiplier. I'm here to help you master the math portion of your real estate exam so you can go ahead and pass that exam once and for all. If you're taking it for the first time or you've taken it multiple times, it's time for you to pass the math. Book your call today, and I'm opening up the RA Math Masters where you learn all the math on the exam along with you'll get affirmations and group coaching. All right. I look forward to helping you pass the math. I've helped over 300 aspiring real estate agents become licensed. Will you be next? All right. I'll put all the information to book your call and to sign up. All right. Y'all have a blessed day. Bye. I'm almost there too. So, yay. I've interviewed Keller Williams and Better Homes and Gardens, and it's getting close. I'm excited. And about to be your turn too. All right. I look forward to helping you pass the math. Have a blessed day. Bye.